Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness. Today we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the industry, Man Greens. With low testosterone affecting 20 to 50% of men worldwide, it's no wonder why everyone's talking about it. Man Greens is a groundbreaking 100% natural testosterone and libido booster specifically formulated for men. It's not just another supplement, it's a game changer in the world of men's health. But what sets Man Greens apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look. As we dive into this product, we'll be exploring its key features, benefits, and how it can help you unlock your full potential as a man. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets of Man Greens. When it comes to boosting testosterone levels, Man Greens is in a league of its own. This powerful formula is meticulously crafted with a blend of 9 essential greens, each chosen for its unique contribution to enhancing male vitality. But that's not all. Man Greens goes the extra mile by including 17 additional beneficial ingredients that support overall health, energy levels, and recovery. But what are these greens, and how do they work? Let's take a closer look at the science behind Man Greens. The star of the show is lysine, an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in the production of growth hormone. This compound has been extensively studied for its testosterone-busting properties, with one study showing an increase of up to 100% in serum testosterone levels. Another key ingredient is L-tryptophan, which is what the happiness hormone serotonin is derived from. This essential amino acid not only helps in producing serotonin, but also plays a vital role in the synthesis of other crucial compounds like melatonin and vitamin B3. The benefits of Man Greens don't stop there. This incredible product also supports better sleep, improved digestion, and increased energy, allowing you to tackle your day with renewed vigor. And when it comes to recovery, Man Greens has you covered. The formula's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce muscle soreness and accelerate the repair process, so you can bounce back faster than ever before. But what makes Man Greens truly special is its commitment to quality and transparency. Unlike many other supplements, Man Greens is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility, ensuring that you receive a product that meets the highest standards of purity and efficacy. Plus, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try Man Greens risk-free and experience the difference for yourself. So if you're ready to take control of your testosterone levels, boost your libido, and improve your overall health, then look no further. Man Greens is the perfect solution for you. Join the growing number of satisfied customers who have already unlocked the benefits of this incredible product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay healthy, stay strong, and embrace your inner green.